Hi, today we'll cook chicken noodle stir fry. You will need chicken, some vegetables, dark soy sauce, egg noodles, honey, garlic and wheat sprouts. Prep the chicken and cut it in smaller pieces. Press all the garlic. Put some olive oil in a wok. Mix half the garlic with the chicken breast. Add salt and pepper and mix well. Cut the vegetables in small pieces. Add the garlic chicken in the wok. After the chicken is done, add the vegetables. In a bowl, mix the other part of garlic with 50 ml soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of honey, and 50 ml water. If the vegetables are cooked, add the egg noodles. Add more soy sauce if you like. Mix well. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for easy and quick recipes.